friends, welcome to my channel. I'm going to show you how to use Yes Paste, if I can pronounce that, on a birch board, and this basically would apply to any surface. As you can see, the Yes Paste comes in a big jar, and what I'm showing you how to do here is keep the container clean. I didn't clean my top properly, and this top glued on solid. What I'm using here is a catalyst type rubber tool, and make sure your surface is good and clean. And I'm going to smear it on. There's the picture I'm going to use. It's one of my prints, and it's cut to fit already. So you just dab it on, and this stuff is really thick, so you'll have to smooth it out a bit. So get a layer on there. You can just put a very thin layer, and then once you've got it on, you can scrape it with a credit card, which works really good. Old credit cards that you have laid around. So here I'm just working it into the wood. Get it right up to your edges. If you don't get it all the way to the edges, it doesn't stick. It's a real pain. And then you have to go in and fill it, which you will see a little further along. That's what I had to do. Okay, here I am with a little credit card. It's my Walgreens card. And I'm just kind of smearing it just to thin it down and make it nice and even, well, as even as you can get it. And what I forgot to say before is I added a little bit of water to thin down the glue, and that helps it smear a little easier, but not much water. You can just use it like a drip, and it works really good. Okay, remember to wipe your edges before you put the piece of paper on there. Print. Make sure it's good and clean all the way around. You don't want any excess glue dripping down your sides. Here I'm doing a last go over with the credit card. And you're happy with it, just wipe off your excess and close the container up. Make sure your lid is clean. I've got some wax paper there ready to flip the piece on, and that's what I'll use. So you just line up your piece and just very carefully start tapping it down, and it will slide on this, so be careful. You'll have to monkey around with it a little bit. I've got some paper towel here, and I'm going to use that to push it down. Make sure there's no air bubbles. I'm just using my fingers and a piece of paper towel. Now here's where I didn't get enough glue on the edge, so I'm using a beauty stick, and I put a little bit of Yes Paste on there, and I'm putting it in there. as you can see, it slipped, so I'm moving it back. So you just got to be careful and just keep pressing it. Press all your edges. And there you have it. So now we have to flip it, and I'll put it down, face down on wax paper, and weight it with some books, and it will be all ready by tomorrow. I hope you've enjoyed this video, and I hope it helped you some. I highly recommend Yes Paste. It's really helpful, and you can use it on canvas as well as birch board and other paper. So I'm cleaning my tools here. It washes up with water, and just get everything nice and clean, and you're ready to start another day. Thank you for watching, and please subscribe and ring the bell.